Leveling up in knowledge, yo. What's up, friends? Welcome back to this week's video. If you're new here, what's up? My name's Nicole and I make weekly videos on personal finance, investing, self-development, and all those interesting fun stuff. Since I started this channel back in May until today, it's currently August, almost September, I've mostly been talking about things related to banks, personal finance, investing, crypto, all those managing money and growing money kind of thing. In this video, we're still going to be talking about investing, but it's a different kind of investment. Ooh, oh my god, what kind of investment is it? So, I get a lot of comments and messages asking me for financial advice.
Lodi, what's the best investment you recommend for me? Should I invest in this? Should I invest in that? Is this legit?
I'm not sure what it is about my videos that give you guys the impression that I'm qualified to give you that kind of advice. Some of you might not know this, but I'm still a student. I'm currently an incoming third-year student taking up a degree in political science. Even I'm still figuring it out. I'm still experimenting and exploring these kinds of things. But even though I'm not exactly qualified to give you guys answers, I've still thought about how I would best answer those kinds of questions. So you want to know what the best investment ever is? The one that will get you hella rich, hella fast? Come closer.
Finally, the power of the Dragon Scroll is mine! It's
Nothing! Ha! I'm sorry. There's nothing that will get you hella rich, hella fast, just like that. But there's still that one thing that's probably going to be the best investment decision you'll ever make. Alright, let me explain. We've been talking a lot about investing on this channel, like investing in stocks, investing in bonds, MP2, cryptocurrency, the best high-interest savings account. Yeah, madami. We get it. There's so many investment options out there that you can put your money into and to make them grow. But let's scale it back a bit, okay? Retreat muna tayo. Back to basics. I mentioned this in a video before, but I just want to put more emphasis on it. I firmly believe that the best investment you can ever make is investing in yourself. Investing in your skills, your knowledge, your education. Yeah, everything yourself. I don't know if you guys have heard that before, that advice to invest in yourself. Maybe you've come across it on blogs or whatever. Personally, it has really been in these last few months talaga that I realized how important investing in yourself really is. How valuable it is. In these last few months, we're running a YouTube channel, for example, creating videos, researching, sharing with you guys what I know, the things that I know, the things that I've learned. I didn't always know them. I didn't always know that MP2 is this kind of investment, the stock market works like this, blah, blah, blah. I've dedicated a lot of time into learning the things that I know now. I guess by personal example, the point that I'm trying to make is that I wouldn't be able to talk about the things that I'm talking about now on my channel if I didn't invest the time and effort to learn about them in the first place. We all want to find that magic investment, right? That investment, that magic stock, magic cryptocurrency, that when you put your money in it, cha-ching, cha-chang, bam, you get the good money, instant gains, magic to richness. Let's go. But I don't know. I think there's really nothing else that you can put your time, effort, and money into that can give you a bigger return than if you were to invest it in yourself. So I use the word invest, okay? Investing in yourself, not splurging on yourself or whatever. Because when you say investment, you expect a return, right? When you invest in the stock market, you're expecting that when you put your money inside, this is your capital, you invest your capital, and then you earn interest or whatever on your capital and you earn money. You're also going to get a return when you do choose to invest in yourself. For example, I'm making the thumbnails, right? A lot of you guys comment about how you like my thumbnails. Honestly, I wouldn't be able to make those thumbnails if I didn't choose to invest the time to learn how to use Photoshop and Illustrator so many years ago. When I was in grade 4, grade 5, when I was 10 or 11, I got interested in creating artworks with the computer. I got interested because I saw people making artworks. I think YouTube or whatever. And I was like, oh, you know what? I want to make digital artworks too. and I saw that people use these programs like Photoshop, GIMP, Paint.net. Okay, I want to create artworks, but to be able to create those artworks, I need to learn how to use these programs first. So I invested the time to learn how to use the software, and these are how my first few artworks look like. They look so ugly, so funny, but think about it. The 10-year-old, 11-year-old Nicole Alba chose to invest the time to learn how to use GIMP, Photoshop, all those things to make digital artworks. And now, 20-year-old Nicole Alba, who I am now, I am able to use the skills that I've developed all these years to create thumbnails for my YouTube channel, and also to create freelance projects for clients, like create posters for them. Like my point, I don't know if my point is coming across, but when you choose to invest in yourself, whether it's like education or skills like that, you never really know, because it just like builds up and builds up, and you'll never know that maybe in the future you will be thanking the past you for taking the time, for investing the time to learn skills or like learn new knowledge in the first place. A more general example, if you want to land a certain job, like for example, software engineer, you want to become a software engineer, what do? You need to learn how to code. You need to learn about the fundamentals of computer science, mga algorithm shits. Before you're able to have those skills, you first need to put in the time and the effort to really learn those skills and learn those concepts, so that in the future, if you're a student right now, you're really like learning how to do these software engineer skills. Future you will benefit because, oh my god, thank God that my teenager me chose to learn those skills, and now I get to land a high-paying job. I really advocate for investing in yourself. And you know why it's like I've super put emphasis on this? Unlike investing in stocks, for example, where you can lose your money, you can lose your capital, when you invest in yourself, you're never gonna lose that. Like once you know a certain skill, you'll always know that certain skill. Especially if it's a monetizable skill, if it's a money-making skill. Like for example, if you know how to graphic design, video edit, those things just really pay you dividends in the long run. Okay, Nicole, how do I exactly start investing in myself? And to that I say just one thing. Be like a sponge. Like, be that person na sisip-sipin mo lang lahat. Like knowledge, put it here, knowledge. There are so many ways for you to invest in yourself, like investing in yourself by developing certain skills, like learning how to cook, for example, or learning how to code. Another way is to invest in yourself with knowledge. I don't know, like reading books, for example. These are some of my favorite books. They're not just props. I read these. I don't think it's hard to find ways to invest in yourself. I personally try to learn everything and anything I can from the people I meet, from the things that I do, the books that I consume, articles, whatever. Like, there are so many places for you now to learn about so many different things. Whatever you're thinking about, easy. It's a Google search, YouTube. Yeah, it's out there. Learning is not just confined to the classroom anymore. Like, you don't just learn from books anymore. You don't just learn from school anymore. Like, everywhere you go, there's something new that you can learn. A common question that I always get from people who know me, and even from you guys, some of you guys ask me like, why do you know so much stuff? And I've always been the type of person so excited to learn about so many things, so many skills, so many knowledge, just like, in a way, like when I dedicate time and effort to learn about the things that I'm interested in, that's a way of me investing in myself. There are so many things that I want to accomplish, like so many great things in my brain that, oh, I want to do this, I want to do this. But for me to be able to do the things that I want to do in the first place, I first need to like level up myself, like develop myself, so that I'm prepared to take on or prepared to do whatever it takes to get the thing I want. In whatever thing I do, I always make it a point to develop yourself as a person so that you're the best person you can be and you can do the best things for yourself and for the people around you. Usually, I'm motivated to learn about stuff because I want to do a certain thing. Like, I find it helpful if the skills that I want to learn will help me achieve something that I want to do. I don't say that I want to learn graphic design. I say I want to make posters for this event. So what does that need me to do? Well, I need to learn how to use Photoshop. I need to learn how to match colors so that they look nice. If ever there's something that you want to accomplish, I challenge you to think about it. Like, what do you need to do in order to be able to do the thing you want? Be active, not passive. I think it's beneficial to always be exposing yourself to new things, to learn new things, to try new things, because even if at first glance two things seem unrelated, I think the human brain has the capability of linking two or more unrelated things together to create something new. I always say this over and over again, but action is the most important thing. You can watch videos like this as much as you want. You can read these books as much as you want. But if you never take action, then voila, nothing will come out of it. Yeah, alright. Perfect segue. Remember when I said that I wanted to invite people over on this channel to interview? Well, we're finally having our first guest. On Saturday, September 5, I'm going to invite Charm from Ready to Adult PH, and we're going to talk about entrepreneurship and making money. So, it's going to be a live interview, there's going to be a Q&A portion. So, if you guys are available, come watch. It's on September 5, 7:30 p.m. It's going to be the first one, so this is very exciting. Yeah. Featured comments for this video by Roy Mark. Roy Mark said that he always watches my vids every morning. It's like a motivation to me. It's so cool, yo. Like, I'm part of your morning routine. That's amazing. No comments, just happy. You guys can follow me on Instagram. I post stories there almost every day if you want some scoop on my life. Like my Facebook page, join the Discord server. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Bye. Learning is so exciting. Like, I don't know.